All right, the fun part of this coach, at least for my kids, because we've got 4 kids and they like to play video games and all kinds of stuff, even as we're going down the road. So you've got 3 TVs on the inside of this unit. This one, there's one right back there in the hall, and then there's one back there in the bedroom. And so this will be the TV that you can utilize going down the road. So imagine all your slides are in. There's actually a lever right here. You pull down on, right? It'll unlock it, and this TV actually will slide out. So you're going to slide it all the way out to where it will then lock right there on that side. And now your TV is good to go as you go down the road. So what we've done in this unit, the DVD player is not working from the dash just because of an issue with the radio. And so what we've done is we've actually provided a player back here. So this will kind of allow you to watch DVDs, Blu-rays, whatever, going down the road. And so this is a Blu-ray player. And so we actually just, you can plug it up here. HDMI comes around on the back side, on the side of this unit. Let me show you. Let me go ahead and disengage. We'll roll it in. And you've got HDMI hookups right back there. And so you can watch DVDs, Blu-rays going down the road, which makes it very convenient. Same thing back here for these TVs. They're all the same type of TVs. They all have the same type of inputs. Even for the one back here in the bedroom, and we actually have a DVD player back here. If you're camping somewhere that has Wi-Fi, if you have some type of device that you can stream, Amazon Fire Stick or things like that, you can definitely plug those in and stream as well. Another thing let's talk about is the on-air satellite. So you can see right now we've got the satellite on. Actually get pretty good reception here. You can use this knob to turn it left or right. And so that is if you do not have cable. So you want to just try to get satellite off the air. That's how you would do that. If for some reason there is cable at your campsite, there's a button, which you wouldn't ever guess, that's actually located right here inside this compartment. And so you'll see back here, right now that green light's on, and that means we're going after just the antenna. But if I push that button, that light goes off, and you'll also notice here that the satellite goes off, which means your TV is now ready for cable. So that's good to know. It took me quite a while, unfortunately, to figure that out, but we did figure it out. Okay, so we have the TV on. We've gotten to our campsite. Let's say that we're going to make sure we have the satellite engaged. So we're going to hit this button there, which tells us now, right, once again, the lights are on. And so what we want to figure out now is how do we get the right channels that we need? Because more than likely the TV's not going to come on when you're like this. So you're going to want to actually make sure from a source perspective, right here on the remote, you're going to hit source, make sure it's up there on TV, okay? And so we've done that. Now we're actually going to go right here and hit the menu button, and we are going to scroll over to channel, okay? Hopefully everybody sees that. And then we're going to go right here, and you can see there that it says air. Now if we were hooked into cable, we would switch that over to cable, but since we're not, we are air. And so once we do there, now we want to do auto scan. And are you sure you want to? Yes. And so what this is going to do, this is going to scan the satellite to pick up all of the channels in the area where you're camping. And this could take 2 to 3 minutes, and you'll have to do this same process for every television in the unit. But fortunately, like I mentioned before, this one remote, you can use this one remote your entire trip if you want to. So you're going to go through that process. You'll go through that same process if you're on cable. You'll want to do the auto scan just to ensure that it's getting all of the stations. So hope this helps. Thanks.